Welcome back to Engines and Unfinished Business. So we finally got the engine out.
So I think it's pretty much ready to remove the engine. I just want to check sort of all around it and make sure nothing's going to catch on anything else. So everything here is all disconnected and free to go. Oh, that's not, is it?
Uh-oh.
I thought that was, maybe it's not. Oh, almost got caught out by one little vacuum line.
Bad.
This is why we do these checks. I'm pretty sure that there is nothing else except for 2 engine mounts and 2 axle stands holding everything in.
Okay. I thought you knew everything that you were doing.
That's funny. So you've got to lift the engine up, take the weight off the mounts, and then undo the mounts. Where's my lube, sorry? Oh shit, it ran out, didn't it?
You've run out of lube?
I did, I ran out of one rolling.
But what are we going to do without lube?
I ran out of lube and I ran out of... It's okay, I've got backup lube.
Need lube.
It's not quite as good, but it'll do.
RWD.
Yeah. It's not really designed for penetration though.
What are you doing, sir?
Just undoing the right hand engine mounting stay.
Okay.
Maybe I'm not. Time to work smarter, not harder.
Did you tell the people last time that you found a 16 bolt?
No, because I haven't done anything.
Oh.
That hasn't been on video yet.
Oh.
But yes, we did. We found a 16. Don't think it was meant to be there from the factory. We knew we'd find one somewhere.
Concentrate.
I don't want to drop the washer off it. The car's already missing enough washers as it is.
Yeah, why does this car not have enough bolts and washers?
I think what I'm learning
everything?
is a lot of garages are a bit slack. And so if they lose or break bolts when they're working, they might just throw it back together with what they have. Which is obviously not great, but what can you do?
You know how the episodes with just you are really boring?
Yeah.
I wonder what they'd be like with just me.
Hella entertaining. I think that's kind of...
But I wouldn't fix the car.
That's the thing, there's a balance between...
Smash it with a hammer.
Yeah. Getting stuff done on the car and being funny. And one of us is better at one of us is better at the other. So...
Ow!
Earballs.
My earballs. Lol.
I'm hoping to do that.
That is a big black shaft.
Just the way I like it. Get in there. Yes.
With the crane taking the full weight of the engine, we were now able to remove the left and right engine mounts and drop the engine to the floor. The plan being to then lift the body up high enough to slide the engine out from underneath.
Would you try and ride a cow in the field?
No.
Can you actually push cows over? What's
I
it
don't
called?
know. I've
Just
heard-
cow tipping.
People have told me they've done it, but I think they might be full of shit.
That's really mean.
Oh yeah, it definitely sounds mean.
I'm pretty sure your trousers are going to fall down any
I do feel that
second.
way. Why try to get me out of my pants? Okay, this does not feel good. I might need to... I don't think impact again, man. Please stop. No means no.
Oh shit. Shit,
Shit,
son.
son.
Shit, son. Okay. Well, let's do this then.
We positioned 2 wheel dollies under the car, which we would then lower the engine onto, allowing us to slide it out once we'd raised the body up high enough.
So at the moment the engine is heading straight for the leg of the crane.
Annoyingly. But we think if we kind of prop it up on some wood, it might just make it.
I think it will still hit it.
Yeah, that could be a problem. I don't know what we do in that situation. We'll try it this way, and if it does look like it's going to hit, we'll pump it up and try it another way.
Is it on the wood?
It seems to have stopped. Yeah, it is. The very bottom of the bell housing is on the wood, so now it should pivot down to put the sump on the other one, which means we should be clear.
Not literally just scrape it past.
It won't at the moment. The worst thing is, once you clear the alternator, we've then got to clear the intake manifold.
So what the hell are you supposed to do?
I don't know. I think let's try removing the alternator and see if it sorts itself out further up. It's the best idea I've got so far.
Do you sometimes regret taking on this project?
Of course I do. Sometimes I feel I've bitten off way more than I could chew and I have no business doing something so advanced. And then things tend to eventually work out and it's all okay.
Okay.
So hopefully this is one of those times.
What has been your favourite part of working on this car?
Getting it all back together for the wedding.
Even with the alternator removed, the suspension arm was still catching on the intake manifold. We did try to remove the suspension arms, but the bolts were so rusty even our impact gun was having no effect. Eventually, we realised we could rotate the engine through 90 degrees, which would give us enough room to slide it out in between the suspension arms.
Yes, that is it. That is the main moment. We have the engine stuck under the car with the engine crane in the way. Plan is put it down on the axle stands with these sketchy bits of wood.
What could go wrong?
Exactly.
All the axle stands.
Precisely. The car not supported very well would be fucking stupid.
Okay. Quick, quick, whip it out. Not that.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, it's a girl.
Oh, right, then quick, get this
Quick,
back in.
quick, quick. Mama feed, mama feed. Oh.
That is how we do. Yeah, that's not quite how we do.
How embarrassing.
Alright, scrap wood.
Are you excited? Are you...
Oh yeah,
Are
this
you-
is something I've always wanted to do, is take an engine out of a car. I've never done it until now. And yeah, it took quite a while, but we did it. I think we're done.
Boom.
Fucking engine out, bitch. And no damage to the bumper. You have my heart, at least for the most part. 'Cause everybody's got just some time. So yeah, we finally did it. We found a 16mm bolt and also got the engine out. 4,000 subscribers, that happened.
Oh, that happened.
Yeah.
Thanks, Reddit.
So from the post on Just Rolled to the Shop, so hey all the new people from Reddit, this is what we do. We've just eaten a lot of pizza, by the way.
Pizza Hut.
Yeah, it's good shit. 2 for Tuesdays.
And he had ham and pineapple,
Yeah, I did.
are we going to lose like 1,000, maybe 2,000
You're going to lose
subscribers?
half of our subscribers. Knights of Pineapple, we must stand strong.
I do not care for pineapple. It is the devil's anus.
And
Fruit.
thus the fighting continues.
Yeah, but I don't have a problem with people eating pineapple on pizza.
That's good, because I like it.
Personally not a fan of pineapple.
That's fair. That's the way it should be. As always, thank you to our Patriners.
Yeah, thank you.
You'll be seeing us a day early, and your names
Your
will
face.
be in front of our
Send
faces.
us a picture of your face and we will put a face. Let's do that.
If you want your face on my face, we'll do it. That's a thing that can happen. If
No, we
you
won't
really...
put them on our face. We'll just have pictures of them.
I just like to superimpose the face on the face.
No.
Because I was going to say the names on the
Like-
face and the face on the names. Well, somewhere around here will be your names.
And faces.
Well, no, because they won't have seen this to send the faces to
Oh, yeah.
the faces.
Next time. And yeah, that's about it.
So yeah, next time we will be splitting the engine
Also,
into...
look how quick we got this next episode out. Like,
That is pretty good for us. I mean, we used to do one a week at one point, but that's been a long time since then. But this is
Yeah.
pretty good for us.
that was when, the car was there.
That was a lot easier.
And
when you
now
just had
it's
to walk 2
like-
steps than drive half an hour.
Way over there.
Way over there.
Way over there.
Look, it's more over there than over there. Yeah, that kind of direction.
That direction.
East-ish.
Never eat shredded wheat.
I like shredded
I
wheat.
love shredded wheat.
Particularly the bite-sized frosted shredded wheat.
No,
They're the
no,
best
just
kind
the
of shredded wheat.
big shredded
I enjoy
wheat
a big shredded wheat
with
every now and then.
butter.
That I do not care. But then I like Weetabix with butter and jam. I suppose it's the same kind of deal.
Yes.
Yeah. As I was saying before
Oh,
we rudely
yes.
interrupted, next time...
And then also...
You motherfucker. So, next time...
So yeah, next time we're going to... What we're going to do?
Well, just tell the people, you know.
I don't know. We're gonna like look at the gearbox to see why fifth gear is not working.
Annoyingly, that is exactly right. That is what we're going to be doing. So, tune in. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.
Tune in or tune out.
Yes, those are your options. Just kind of a binary thing. Watch us or don't. Your choice. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
I probably weren't going to waffle before.
All right. Shall we pancake? Ah!
Such a tick.
That's disgusting.
This is the first thing I say to you.
If we just remove the bolts actually holding the thing on, then it'll be swinging freely and such. These are good donuts. Recommend them. Oh. A lot of jam in this donut, like seriously. Get donuts from Sainsbury's, so I'm out of the camera shot. Yeah. Cocktail.
My hair is stupid.
Whoa. That was my hair, stupid.
I don't like those big bits of sugar.
The best bit?
The jam isn't as good as Tesco's.
That's true. There's a lot of it though.
It tastes thicker. It doesn't taste like jam. It tastes like jelly. Like a running jelly.
Yeah.